So what exactly does my firm, Springboard Funding Partners, do for clients? Easy answer is I basically support them with getting the loans they need to grow their business, to possibly buy some real estate, to get much needed equipment, help them with purchase orders. And we'll get into this more in detail, but it's really just securing the loans they need to grow their business. And how do I do that? Well, over the last numerous years, I've established relationships with lenders all over the country. This could be bank lenders, it could be real estate lenders, it could be what's called a bridge lender where you need money for a short period of time, working capital lenders, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Some specialize in certain areas and certain dollar amounts, and others specialize in certain credit profiles. And one of the things that people turn to my company for is help getting them over a short-term hurdle, if you will. Many people come to me from a referral source, like say an attorney or a CPA, and they're like, my client needs help. They have a tax lien or a judgment, possibly a fallout with a partner. Something's going on where they just can't walk into their neighborhood bank and get approved right away. So they turn to someone like me with my experience, my relationships, and then what I do is, have an introductory phone call with the client, get to know them, understand what the current issues are. And in that call, I really ask for all the cards to be put on the table because I really can't get, the result you want unless I know the whole story. And look, all of us have had hurdles in the past. All of us have had issues in the past. My job is to untangle everything and find out exactly what you're looking for, what are the biggest issues we have to overcome. Then I'll be straight up with you. I'll say, look, I've seen situations like this before. We've been able to overcome it if we can get this resolved, this resolved, this resolved. Or frankly, right now I can't help you, but here's what I suggest you do over the next few months to get, the loan possibilities improved in your favor, maybe 3 or 6 months down the road. I can tell you probably 90% of the time I can help a client get the funding they're looking for. Now, it may not be at the exact rates that you would like or the right terms that you specifically like, but frankly, in certain cases, it's a matter of getting over the hump, right? So whether you have to pay a short-term high price to get your result, that's something that sometimes people end up having to do. Perfect example is a commercial real estate bridge loan. But the important thing is to really get you to where you want to get to. And at the same time, we can work with credit repair specialists if that's something that needs to be done to get your credit back up and get some of these issues off your credit report to get you the much better lower rate loan going forward. So some areas that we really specialize in are government funding programs, SBA programs. Over the last few years during COVID, I've helped hundreds of companies get PPP loans and SBA EIDL, that is economic injury disaster loans done, and have been very active in the employee retention tax credit. If you look at my YouTube channel here, you'll see many videos that talk about employee retention credit, how you can qualify and so forth. So you can refer to those for that. But the crux of the day-to-day business is helping clients get commercial real estate loans, to get equipment loans, to help them possibly with getting some working capital so they can operate their business more efficiently. Now lately there's been some unsecured term loans that are going out 5 years, which are very, very good. So I just want to put this video out there, not only for my YouTube channel, but also for my website, just so people get a better understanding of exactly what my role is, how I can help, the vast experience I have with working with lenders all over the country. And my goal is really to get you the best terms at the lowest rates possible given your specific situation, and working with you to go from maybe a point where you really, really need help, someone like me, to a point where maybe a year out, we get you refinanced in the best bank loan possible, and you're off to the races. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel where I bring in topics of importance to small business owners, feel free to hit subscribe and like and share this video. And for those of you checking this out on my website, appreciate you checking out the site. Anything I can do for you all, I'm happy to help. Just hit me up on the other social media channels or just email me at Ralph at sfp.loans. That's Ralph at sfp as in Springboard Funding Partners.loans. And until next time, all the best.